DriveWealth Institutional App Pricing explained what you get for your money. DriveWealth Institutional is a platform designed for brokers, fintech firms, and financial institutions to offer investing services. Many assume institutional-grade apps are prohibitively expensive, but DriveWealth provides transparent, scalable pricing. The app itself is free to access. Pricing depends on the volume of trades and account size, typically including a per-trade fee ranging from 1 to 10 for fractional shares, plus a small annual account maintenance fee. Enterprise plans offer custom pricing for API integration, branding, and compliance support. Most people get this wrong by assuming institutional platforms are only for large firms. The surprising truth is that even smaller fintech startups can leverage DriveWealth to offer retail investing solutions efficiently. For example, a startup could enable users to buy fractional shares of a stocks at low costs while maintaining full regulatory compliance. In conclusion, DriveWealth Institutional combines clear, volume-based pricing with enterprise-grade infrastructure, making it accessible for firms of all sizes to provide investing services.